Judicial Circuit, Criminal Division is now in session. The Honorable Judge, Mr. Christoph Reyes, presiding.
Everyone but the jury may be seated.
To the juries, please stand. And please raise your right hand. Juries, do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly listen to this case and render a true verdict and a fair sentence as to this defendant?
I do.
Thank you. Now you may be seated.
The jury, your duty today will be determine whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty based on facts and evidences provided in this case. The prosecution must prove that the crime is committed and the defendant is the person who committed the crime. However, if you are not satisfied the defendant's guilt in that extent, then reasonable doubt exists and the defendant must be found not guilty. Mr. Joshua Fernandez, what is today's case?
Your Honor, today's case is the Republic of the People of the Philippines versus Mr. Cabog and Mr. W.
Is the prosecution ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the defense ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, members of the jury, my name is Nikki Christine Salisi and I am representing people of the Republic of the Philippines in this case. We intend to prove that on the day of when the robbery scene was conducted on May 7, 2023, my client, Yamo Frickley, the owner of the iPhone store, was present at his store at 10 a.m. The two defendants used guns at him and forcibly took the cash and the gadgets as well. They leave with the cash and the gadgets and ride a motorcycle. Please find Mr. Cabog and W guilty of robbery. Thank you.
Your Honor, members of the jury, my name is Rodalit A. Amat and I am representing Mr. Cabog and W in this case. We intend to prove that on May 7, 2023, Mr. Cabog was attending a birthday party and Mr. W was working on Jollibee. Please find Mr. Cabog and W not guilty of robbery, Article 293 on Revised Penal Code. Thank you.
Prosecution, you may call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. I call to stand Mr. Sergio Sala.
Will the witness please stand to be sworn in the court clerk?
To the witness, please stand. And please raise your right hand. Today in this court, do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? I do. Thank you. Now you may be seated.
Please state your name for the court.
I'm Sir Yoeri Pusala Jr., attorney.
Can you describe what happened on the day during the robbery?
Yes, attorney. On May 7, 2023, I was inside the store to find some phones to purchase, and then suddenly the two men came and they started to force the owner to give the money and the phones.
Can you identify the two men in the courtroom today?
Yes, attorney.
Are they used weapons during the robbery scene?
Yes, they use guns, attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
The defense may cross-examine the witness.
Did you see the faces of the robbers?
Yes, attorney.
Are you sure that you can identify the robber?
Yes, attorney.
It seems that you are not sure.
Objection, Your Honor. She's intimidating the witness, Your Honor.
Objection granted. Defense attorney, are you done questioning the witness?
Yes, Your Honor, no further questions.
You may step down. Prosecution, you may call your second witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. I call to stand Mr. David Palos.
Will the witness please stand to be sworn in the court clerk?
To Will the witness please stand? Please raise your right hand. Today in this court, do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you, and you now may be seated.
Please state your name.
I am the palace attorney.
Did the defendant threaten to kill all of you?
Yes, attorney.
Did the defendant hurt all of you?
Yes, attorney. They threatened to kill us.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
The defense may cross-examine the witness.
Where are you during the robbery scene?
Inside in the store, attorney.
What did you do at the specific time?
I was in the store at 10 a.m. searching for a new phone to purchase.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
You may step down. Prosecution, you may call your next witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. I call to stand Mr. Brian Jean Delos.
The witness, please stand. Please raise your right hand. Today in this court, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Please state your name for the court.
I am Brian Jean Deloso.
How many are the robbers?
There are two attorney.
Did you identify them? If so, where are they?
Yes, attorney, that are two robberies beside in the defense attorney.
Are you sure? Or maybe it's not really them, or it just seems it.
I'm sure they are.
Objection, Your Honor. She makes the witness confused, Your Honor.
Prosecution, you can continue questioning.
What is the cloth of their shirt wearing?
A black shirt and black pants, attorney.
Does Mr. Cabog has a motorcycle? Can you describe what unit is it?
Yes, attorney, it's Yamaha Honda Click 125.
Why did you know that it is Yamaha Honda Click 125i?
Because we have same motorcycle, but mine is color blue and them was color black.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
The defense may cross-examine the witness.
Are you inside of the store during the robbery scene?
No, attorney, I'm the outside of the store, attorney.
Are you sure that the motorcycle that they use is Yamaha Honda Click 125i?
Yes, attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
You may step down. Defense, you may call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. I call to stand Mr. Anton J. Dahay.
Will the witness please stand and be sworn in a court clerk?
Witness, please raise your right hand. Today in this court, do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Please state your name for the court.
I'm Anton J. Dahay, attorney.
So, Mr. Dahay, are you the co-worker of Mr. W?
Yes, attorney.
What time is your shift?
At 10 a.m., attorney.
10 o'clock? Did Mr. W work that day?
Yes, attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
The prosecution must cross-examine the witness.
What is your relationship with Mr. W?
I am his co-worker, attorney.
What time did Mr. W shift in?
I think it's 10:30 a.m., attorney.
It seems that you are not sure. Are you really sure that Mr. W works on that day?
No. Yes, attorney.
Your Honor, it seems that the witness is not honest.
She's confusing the witness, Your Honor.
Do you have more questions, prosecution attorney?
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
You may step down. Defense, you may call your second witness.
I call to stand Mr. Benji Munoz.
Will the witness please stand to be sworn in the court?
Witness, please raise your right hand. Today in this court, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Thank you.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Please state your name for the court.
I am Benji Munoz, attorney.
Did Mr. Cabog attend to your birthday party?
Yes, attorney.
What did the time started?
12 noon, attorney.
What time did Mr. Cabog attend to your birthday party?
12:35 p.m., attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
The prosecution may cross-examine the witness.
Do you know who's Mr. Cabo is? Can you point to this person?
Yes, attorney. Beside of attorney Amo.
Did you see Mr. Cabo during your birthday party?
Yes, attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
You may step down. Defense, you may call your next witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. I call to stand Mr. Zyron Paginawan.
Will the witness please stand to be sworn in the court?
Please raise your right hand. Today in this court, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Please state your name for the court.
I am Zyron Paglinawan.
Are you in the birthday party? Did Mr. Cabog attend to the birthday party?
Yes, attorney.
What time did you attend during the birthday party?
12:30 p.m., attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
Prosecution must cross-examine the witness.
Who was the birthday celebrant?
Benji Munoz, attorney.
Do you know the defendant?
No, attorney, but he is my wife's friend.
So if it's your wife's friend, then he's your friend too?
No, yes, attorney.
I saw your Facebook account. You have many pictures of Mr. Cabo. I know you're friends with him because you are protecting him, and he's the one who robbed the store.
She's making the witness confused, Your Honor.
No further questions, Your Honor. Thank you.
Both the prosecution and defense have now rested their cases. The attorneys will now present their final arguments. Prosecution, you may begin.
Thank you, Your Honor, members of the jury. Today you have heard testimony about Mr. Rosala, Palos, and Deloso. I would like to remind you of some important information that you should consider in your decision. These facts include they were seen on CCTV camera going out in the store. The color of the clothes that they were used in the robbery scene was the same as they attend at the birthday party. The motorcycle that they used and that was parked outside of was Yamaha Honda Plate 125i, color black, and the same motorcycle that Mr. Cabog used to attend at the birthday party. They did not use some face gear to cover their face, and their face was seen in the CCTV camera. And the important is we also have a piece of evidence to prove that it was in the footage of the CCTV camera. Please find Mr. Cabog and W guilty of robbery. Thank you.
Defense, you may proceed with your closing argument.
Thank you, Your Honor, members of the jury. Today you hear the testimony about Dahay, Munoz, and Pagdilawan. I would like to remind of some important information that you should consider in your decision. These facts include on May 7, 2023, that Cabog is attending a birthday party and my witness stated that Mr. Cabog was on the birthday party of Mr. Manyos. And Mr. Dahay stated that he is with Mr. W and he was working on the day of robbery scene. Please find the defendant, Mr. Cabog and W, not guilty of robbery Article 293 of the Revised Penal Code. Thank you.
Members of the jury, you have heard all the testimony concerning this case. It is now up to you to determine the facts. You and you alone are the judges of the facts. Once you decide the facts of the evidences proved, then you must apply the law as I give it to you, to the facts as you find them.
Article 293 of the Revised Penal Code. Any person with intent to gain shall take any personal property belonging to another by means of violence against or intimidation of any person or using of force upon anything, robbery with violence against or intimidation of person, any person guilty of robbery with the use of violence against or intimidation of any person shall suffer.
In just a moment, the bailiff will get you to the jury room to consider your verdict. One of the first things you will want to do is to select a foreperson. It will be the foreperson's duty to sign the verdict from when you have agreed on a verdict. Whatever verdict you render must be unanimous, which means that each and every person shall agree on the same verdict. The bailiff will now escort you to the deliberation room.
Juries, rise. Follow me.
Have you reached a verdict?
We have the honor.
We are the jury in this case of the people of the Republic of the Philippines versus Mr. W and Mr. Cabog. Based on the information from the witness from the both party, the defendant is guilty of the charge by the Article 293 in the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines, also known as robbery, with violence against or intimidation of a person.
Thank you, jury, for your service today. Court is adjourned.